Hey everyone, friends, I'm Caleb Miller. Today I'll show you how to transfer files from your Samsung phone to your computer. For this, we'll need a USB cable. Simply plug one end into your computer and the other into your phone. There. After that, click on your computer and select Open Explorer. There. Next, you need to grant permissions on your phone. To do this, unlock your phone and tap the Allow button. There. Now you can either move files to the phone or transfer files from the phone to your computer. That's all there is to it. This is Caleb signing off. See you later.